So friends, today we are making the world's best, the cheese steak sub. It's gonna be a very easy recipe. I got this whole steak. This is top sirloin boneless steak. So this is our sub. First of all, slice the sub from the middle. Okay, we have to cut it all the way through. So you can use multi-grain sub, you can use any kind of sub you like. I'm using the sourdough sub. This is my favorite kind of bread, sourdough. Right, once you cut it, it's gonna look like this. We all know how to do the subs. All right, so in the pan, heat up your pan, put it on a high flame, add butter, add your bread like this in your pan. So first we will roast our sourdough bread only from one side. So let it cook itself. It will take at least 5 minutes. So the inside should get roasted with all the butter. This is the main part right now. After 5 minutes, take out your bread and put it on the side. You see this glaze? This is what we need. And put this on the side. So here we will build our sandwich. Now take the top sirloin steak, put it in your pan, just like this. Add a little more butter. On the sides. Add some black pepper, regular ingredients, right? This is what we need. And some salt on this side. Cook it for 5 minutes on this side on a high flame. Add at least 2 whole cloves of garlic. So we will need an onion. So slice the onion from the middle. Place the onion whole ring right next to the steak. It's been 5 minutes. We will flip our steak, okay? Wow, what a beautiful color. Okay, on this side, same thing. 1 spoon of black pepper. Not 1 spoon, half spoon of black pepper and half spoon of regular salt. 1 spoon of regular soy sauce. So it's been 5 minutes on this side as well. Flip it one more time, just to make sure the steak is cooked all the way from the inside. Okay, 1 more minute on this side. Alright, so let's take out our beautiful juicy steak. Put it right here. So beautiful, done. Turn off your stove, get a knife, and just slice your steak. Check this from the inside. It's juicy. It's super hot. Just black pepper and the salt and some soy sauce. So beautifully done. So this is the bottom of our sub. Use mayo or anything. I'm using Parmesan garlic, but I would suggest try to use this sauce. It goes really well with all the flavors. Okay, put some chopped coleslaw on top. Add a little bit spicy sauce. It will give extra flavor. from the bottom. More of the Parmesan right on top of your sub. Yummy, right? Check this. Check this, guys, how juicy it is. Alright, bringing it to the middle. This is our whole sub. We are working on it. Okay, use any kind of cheese. I would suggest I'm using the regular cheese, cheddar cheese. Put it right here on top. Right here, right here. Cheddar cheese or Swiss. Comment down below what kind of cheese does it look like to you guys. Okay. And here, friends, take the onions, the glazed onions, right on top, and just spread it nicely on top of it. These are all fried and glazed in butter and soy sauce. Right next to steak, we will bake this guy for 10 minutes at 400 degrees. So I'll see you guys after 10 minutes. Alright, so this is after baking it for 5 minutes. This is our bottom. This is the cheese, and these are the onions. I'll try to dress it here, but it's too big, but who cares? Let's do that. Take a knife, hold it, and put it right here. Look, the onions. Everything looks delicious about it. Dress some cold. Adding some more Parmesan on here. And the moment of truth, guys, put it right on top of it. Oh yeah, the juices. Oh wow, look at this big sub, guys. Yummy-licious, right? The cheese is right there. The steak looks awesome. The onions, even the steak is coming out of it. This is the best part about it. Here you go, guys. This is your best steak sub ever you can make at home. Top sirloin steak, cook it the way I showed you, and here you go, guys. This is your favorite new steak sub at home. So this is the taste test. We're gonna see how we did this, right? It's too big for me to hold it even. I'll just slice it from the middle. Alright guys, so here's the steak. This is all the medium part, cheese. Here goes the first bite. The steak is super tender. The butter, oh my god. Top sirloin steak, sourdough bread. Anyway guys, it's an amazing recipe to surprise everyone in your family, or just make it yourself. I spent $15 on this recipe, and this is the bomb. I think this will be my whole dinner, and this will be for tomorrow. It's a big meal. It's all juicy, it's all natural. So check the steak. Wonderful. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye for now. It's so nutritious, it's gonna just put me to sleep after eating this. Try this recipe.